honeys, and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be talking about how I used MSM for 30 days, if not less, and my experience with it, my dosage, the side effects, and all that. So if you're new to this channel, welcome. First of all, welcome. We also want to tell you to please subscribe and click on the bell button so you would always know when I post and when I drop a video. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Let's get into it.
Every little thing you think you know, I'm here to tell you it should go. I'm trying to help you understand. If you would just take my hand and I'll teach you who I am. Right now you got it wrong, so sugar, come along and I'll show you who's strong.
Actually, I wrote a lot down so I wouldn't forget all my points I have based on what I've gone through with MSM. First of all, if you're an OG on my channel, you guys know that I do not really have a basic skincare routine. So I use this MSM powder. That's the doctor's best MSM powder with up tier MSM, and I use this vitamin C crystals by Now Foods, and see, it's still remaining actually. So I bought both on Jumia, and then when I bought it cost like 15k together, like 7k plus delivery. Everything was like 15,000 naira. For my dosage, I took 1/8 of this with a pinch and tiny pinch of the vitamin C. I mixed it up in the room temperature water, and I took it once a day for the first week. I seemed okay. I really didn't see any changes in my body. Nothing was really happening. It was the first week. You really have to work your way up with this stuff. You can't just take a teaspoon when you start, because you can have serious side effects if you just start taking it a lot. You have to introduce it into your body slowly. Second week, I decided to take the same amount. That's 1/8 of this, a pinch of this, but twice a day, one in the morning, one in the night, with room temperature water. Then I started having little tiny issues. I started itching bad. Like, my side effect was itching. People tend to have different side effects, but mine, I was itching, especially here, like here in between my arm, I think. Yeah, this is my elbow, but like inner corners of my elbow here, I was always itching. My laps, it was itching me like crazy. I decided to just take the stuff, take it down for like 2 days. I took the measurement, I took it down because I was itching, so I took it to 1/16 of a teaspoon to literally almost nothing of this, because I was itching. I didn't like side effects. Then I was fine. So then after a while, I tried to increase it back to twice a day, 1/8 of this and pinch of this. And after that, I was good. My skin was lovely. Normally my skin actually reacts to what I eat. If I eat terribly, if I eat so much junk food, if I don't eat well, my skin just gets confused, it gets super oily, it gets rough, it gets all that. But this time I was eating all the junk food in the world, and my skin was still glowing. It was literally making my skin good. Vitamin C also makes you create collagen faster, that is new skin cells. So this was like the holy grail for my skin. My skin was glowing. I was so bright. I wasn't using anything, like I don't use anything as usual, and I was just like, people were like, what are you using for your skin? This, what are you using? You're glowing. Oh my god, this, that. That's how my skin was at that time. So at this point, I was eating as I like. I was taking my MSM religiously. I even increased my dosage in the next week. I started taking 1/4 of this to 1/8 of this, because make sure you always double. If you're taking 1 teaspoon of this, take 1/2 teaspoon of this, add it together. That's how I take it. Make sure you just double this to this. I was literally taking this however I wanted. I didn't have pimples. I was pimples free. I was just living my best life, you know. So one particular day, I went for a party which was overnight, and I can't take this out because they are too big for me to put in a sleepover bag. They are just too big of bottles. So I didn't take it for like a day or two, because I think I slept over for like 2 days at my friend's side, and I didn't take them. Since the next morning, my skin was off. It was like, you know, when you are used to a particular drug and you're off the drug, and then your skin just turns. If something's up with my skin or my body, my face is the first to react. I woke up with 3 big pimples. My skin was oily, pores were opening, things of that sort. So I was like, so I didn't use this product for 2 days, and my skin was already reverting to something that it wasn't, like it was getting worse than it was even at before I started using this. So I was really scared, like why is my skin going bad? Because I didn't use this product for 2 days. My skin was going crazy. It wasn't acting well. I was like, what is going on? Oh, I forgot to talk about my hair. My hair growth, that's another part of this whole journey. My hair seemed different. My texture kind of changed a bit. I don't know, it just felt different. I could not really tell. It wasn't looser, but this texture felt changed. You changed your texture, kind of looser, but like I really could not really tell. My hair felt really different during that time when I was using the MSM powder. Like the main reason why I actually used it was because of my hair, not because of my skin, if I'm being honest. Because I saw a YouTuber, I'm very sorry, I can't remember her name right now. I'm going to just insert her name when I remember her name. But I saw a YouTuber that actually raved about this thing, and I was like, okay, I'm going to try this. Like, she had really nice locks. She uses MSM and henna. That's her regimen. Then the hair thing started. I noticed that I had to shave my armpits almost every 2 days. Like, I was having so much hair. My leg hairs were growing. Wow, like everything was just growing. Wow. Everything was just like so much growth everywhere. The growth was just so much. Then I started having facial hairs that I did not ask for. I have one strand of hair that is here that is really disturbing my piece. Like, it wasn't there before I started using MSM. When I started using MSM, the hair came out by force. One strand, always disturbing me. The hair on my hands, the hair everywhere, like my pubic areas, hair was just growing wild. So another thing I noticed is that your boobs, if you're a female, your boobs might get, bigger. I noticed it when I was using them, like it just felt fuller and peckier. I do not know how this is connected, but when I was taking MSM, I noticed all that. I didn't get fatter or anything. I was using this and this, so my boobs were getting bigger. I just felt it, and I felt like my stomach was actually getting flatter. I am not sure, but that's what I noticed when I used MSM. The issue I had with this product was that I was really young. I just felt like I couldn't be so dependent on this product. Like, I could not. Like, I do not have a serious medical issue. So why would I be dependent on MSM and vitamin C to make my skin glow, to make my hair? I just don't subscribe to that whole thing of using one thing like by force. If you miss it one day, everything goes haywire. I could not do that with MSM. That's what it was giving me. It was giving me that vibe. I was like, nope, not me. I'm not going to be dependent on MSM and vitamin C. And that was why I stopped taking it. I just stopped. I was like, no, I'm going to find another way to use this without taking it into my body, because since it was making it was making me have hair. Also, there are also other health benefits of MSM. I'm going to link links of things I read or videos I watched about MSM in my description box. I'm going to link it for you. So the main thing is, will I be buying this product again, MSM? Actually, I'm going to buy it again, but I'm trying to find a way to use it topically. So I'm going to try to apply it to my hair, so I wouldn't just have to start growing hair in my armpits and my legs excessively. So I want to just try to find a way to put it in my hair care regimen without actually taking it in, because taking it in is your hair will grow everywhere. It's going to glow, it's going to be nice, it's going to be pretty, it's going to be glowing naturally. But is it really worth being dependent on a drug? Because oh, and I forgot to tell you, the reason why you add vitamin C is that MSM absorbs better into the body with vitamin C. They work very well together. It helps the body to absorb MSM. That's why you take vitamin C with it. Personally, I'm not going to be using it for my skin because I really have a really good and okay skin. I do not need to get dependent on this for my skin. So yeah, that's going to be all for my MSM. I just hope you just learned one or two things. I want to let you know how it worked with me. I stopped using it. I don't take it again orally because nope, I'm being so extra. But literally, that's all I'm going to say about MSM. I hope my video was able to convince you and not confuse you on why and how to use MSM powder and vitamin C powder. So let me know what you think. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I'm going to be here replying you guys. Thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to click on the bell button so you will know every time I post a video. So thank you. Bye.